service light. In today's video, we are going to learn how to reset Tiguan service light. So let's get started. Follow the steps till the end and don't miss any important point. Step number 1, make sure your car is parked safely and the ignition is turned off. Step number 2, locate the set button on the right side of the instrument cluster. That's the one we will use to perform the reset. Now let's move to step number 3. Press and hold the set button, and while still holding it, turn on the ignition. If your Tiguan uses start-stop button, press it once without stepping on the brake pedal. If you have a key ignition, simply turn the key to the on position but do not start the engine. Step number 4. Keep holding the button until the service menu appears on your dashboard display. After that, when the menu appears, release the button, then use the OK button either on the steering wheel or near the display, depending on your Tiguan's model year. To confirm the reset, in step number 6, turn the ignition off, then back on again to verify that the service reminder message is gone. And that's all. That's how you will be able to reset your Tiguan service light. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.